In this video, I'm going to cover the 3 radiant barrier products that we sell that are typically used for attics. Now, we have some other products for applications like house wraps or metal buildings or roofing applications, but these are the 3 products that are best for attics. All 3 products are double-sided with pure aluminum foil. The first product is the original AtticFoil radiant barrier. The second product is our budget or our contractor grade radiant barrier. And the third product is our Super Perf radiant barrier foil. The original AtticFoil is the most popular product we have. It's heavyweight, tear-proof, and it's also perforated. It has little tiny pinholes about every ½ inch, so it's not a vapor barrier and it will allow moisture to pass through. The original AtticFoil is available in 3 different sizes: a 26-inch roll, a 48-inch wide roll, and we also make a 60-inch roll. The 48-inch is the most popular and typically used in a horizontal format and stapled across the bottom of the rafters. The 26-inch product is perfectly designed to be used in truss-built attics. In a truss-built attic, you usually want to run the foil up and down and staple to the bottom of the rafters. At 26 inches, you have a little extra material to easily line up and attach to the bottom of the rafters. This makes installation faster and easier. 60 inch is also available. Honestly, it can be a little hard to handle in most attics, and it's usually for larger projects like a barn. But if you have a really big attic, this might be a good option. Next is our budget or contractor grade radiant barrier, and it's only available in 48-inch wide rolls. For years, we had contractors say, "Your product is almost too strong and tear-proof for my needs. Can you make a good product with the same 97% reflectivity at a lower cost?" So we did. Compared to the original AtticFoil, you really can't tell them apart by look or feel, and they have about the same weight per roll. The difference is that in the budget foil, we use some recycled content in the woven fabric material inside between the pure aluminum layers. As a result, it's not quite as strong as the original AtticFoil. I would call it tear resistant as compared to the original AtticFoil, which is tear-proof. Now we've made this product available to the general public. For most applications, this is all you will need and it will cost you less. Finally, we have our Super Perf radiant barrier available in 45-inch wide rolls. This product is specifically designed to be laid on top of the attic insulation in cold or mixed climates. On some homes, especially older homes in colder climates, there can be some risk of trapping moisture under the radiant barrier foil. But with the larger holes, this risk is eliminated. The Super Perf has been really popular, and laying the foil out on top of the attic insulation is faster and easier than stapling to the bottom of the rafters. In summary, for attic installations, we have 3 different products. The original AtticFoil, available in 26-inch, 48-inch, and 60-inch wide rolls. Super durable, tear-proof, the best product out there. Then we have our budget foil, which is a 48-inch wide product. It's tear-resistant at a great price. Finally, we have our Super Perf radiant barrier, available in 45-inch wide rolls. It's got the larger holes or perforations, and it's specifically designed to be laid on top of the attic insulation in cold or mixed climates. All 3 products come with a 1-year, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Plus, we offer free sample packets which include all these products. If you have any questions about what the right radiant barrier is for your application, we are here to help. Give us a call, send us an email, or visit the website, AtticFoil.com.